Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best software architecture books that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this video. Starting at number 5, we have Clean Code, a handbook of agile software craftsmanship. It's a fact that is known by all the coders that if the code that is written isn't clean, the software will be full of bugs and glitches. There will be times when you will see bad codes working just fine, but if the code isn't a clean one, it will dismantle the whole setup. There will also be multiple hiccups that you will face while any further development of the software. You might be wondering what the clean code is. It is explained differently by a lot of people, however, the gist that you will get with it is the code that you are writing should not have duplicates, must be elegant, and easy to read. Robert Martin has tried to successfully deliver the fundamentals such as the basic differences in good code and bad code. Along with it, readers will also learn about the process of better code writing and how you can change a badly written code into a usable one. The author has also included some of the best examples to illustrate the codes that are well written. If you are a developer who craves quality, this is the book that your shelf can't miss. The language used by the author is quite straightforward and there are minimum fillers used. Moving on at number 4, we have A Craftsman's Guide to Software Structure and Design. The language and his way to elaborate the technical aspects to a beginner are the most critically acclaimed aspect of his write-ups. Clean architecture can cover all the principles and fundamentals that you need to know and follow to give your code a better shape. The author has also clearly mentioned the things that are necessary and mandatory while you are writing a code and the things that you will need to just add as a mere detail. The problems that Robert Martin has included in this book are directly connected to that of the real world, and you will be able to implement those solutions in your career for better efficiency in your workflow. An aspect that is also quite interesting with this book is that the reader will not feel like getting monotonous. However, there are a few reviews posted by professionals that state the cons of this book. According to the developers, the content doesn't feel like it is in sync and more of unorganized clutter. There aren't also enough examples that one will find in this Uncle Bob's comprehensive guide. At number 3, we have Design Patterns, Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software. This book specifically focuses on the OOP coding that is object-oriented, and not every book covers in this much detail as Design Patterns did. Eric Gamma is the author of this software architecture book. The author has managed to focus on providing solutions to all the bugs and errors that occur while the designing process. The book starts with an introduction to various patterns that developers will be able to use without any extra hassle or effort. For a majority of times, these patterns will solve the bugs and how to implement these solutions. Design Patterns offer a comprehensive guide. There are a total of 23 patterns in the guide, and you will find suitable situations to apply these patterns. The author has also included a number of case studies that will help you understand the problem and find a solution without any extra effort or hassle. Various tables and graphs are being used to provide an overview of the pattern's application. There is a big advantage that you will get with this book is that there is a section that will cover the potential problems that you might face while working on the software structure domain. At number 2, we have Patterns of Enterprise Application Architecture. This Martin Fowler book covers some amazing and rarely touched aspects of design patterns that are also kind of missed by Eric. As new technologies are appearing and to keep the same efficiency in your workflow, you will need to keep yourself updated with all the latest developments. This book will allow you to do it with the help of some examples that are quite straightforward and easy to understand. PEAA is the guide that will give you a comprehensive analysis of all the things that you might not be able to crack up till now. Fowler collaborated with many developers and has prepared a compilation of around 40 patterns that you can use to get your code up and running. The book also covers in depth the relationship between the object and relational databases that you will base your code on. The list of patterns will also include a range of examples along with pros and cons so that you are able to implement the solutions easily. The language that is used here is also quite straightforward, and you will not feel like going through any hassle to understand the technical aspect. The author has also paid attention to the correct organization of the chapters and topics. And finally at number 1. Building Microservices. Designing fine-grained systems. There is a whole range of software application companies that keep updating their workflow, and several companies have now shifted to use microservices. This is the technique to which the distribution companies are swiftly shifting to. There are various practical exercises provided in this guide that will eventually help offer you a comprehensive look at building and managing microservices. Sam Newman, the author, has successfully tried to cover all the basic concepts and fundamentals of the developments that microservices have managed to witness. The way the expression author has opted to explain complicated topics is just extraordinary and best in class. The information that you will find in this book will be highly relevant, and you will not feel like wasting any money. There will also be long explainers that will include the steps you will need to follow to sync microservices with the rest of your software. The aspect that developers take quite a time to ace is monitoring and building microservices is one of the best tools that you can choose to learn. There will also be a range of references that you will get to check and explore more from other books. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below. I hope back to you as soon as possible.